Hello, my name is Efrain Eduardo Luna Marquez, code 19210 from section B3. Today I'll be talking about fracking, a new technique that is being used to extract fuel from the earth. It consists on drilling a well and then adding some water to it to pump out gas, natural gas. 95% of the water that is being added doesn't have to be potable or drinkable, and you add some 5% of sand to it and a little quantity of some other chemicals just to kill some bacteria and some other things that may affect the gas that you're going to extract. Natural gas is 3 times cheaper, so the extraction cost doesn't matter, aside as petroleum. Can be done because, as I said, the fuel that you are extracting is really expensive. It is pure compared to petroleum, so some sellers add some other chemicals to have more fuel to sell from less gas. Although it seems a really good alternative to petroleum, it has a lot of cons to it. It pollutes underground water, contaminating us as well, because underground water travels up to mountains, then it rains again and we are drinking that polluted water. It also contaminates the atmosphere. It helps producing the greenhouse effect because you are extracting some gases to the earth, like CO2, and you are contributing to the greenhouse effect. The sound it produces, because it is a really noisy process to do, disturbs animals and humans as well. And some animals are being more affected than some others because, for example, traveling birds or migrating birds tend to confuse a lot when they have a lot of noise and they don't migrate where they are supposed to be. So they are migrating to some other places and dying from ice or cold weather. It also helps producing earthquakes because when you are emptying the earth, then you help that tectonic plates move with each other to reaccommodate, and then we have an earthquake. The toxic chemicals are really harmful to us as well, like to animals and plants, so using those chemicals is not a really good idea. It also extracts radioactive particles from uranium and some others. They kill microorganisms and causes a really bad diseases on us. Can modify our babies and transform them on other things. You know what radiation does to us. In my opinion, fracking is not the best idea to produce energy on the earth. There are some two that I will be talking. The eolic one, that is a really good investment. You just put a fan there and it will be spinning all the day, producing energy to you, not producing harm to anyone. And the solar one, my favorite one. The Earth receives enough radiation to power 4,500 times the amount needed on the Earth. So if we start to receive that radiation and start using it into energy, we will have more than enough energy than the energy we need to us. And using solar energy is not really contaminating, like in comparison with some other fuel strategies. So that should be all. Thanks for watching my video.